Today I'm going to look for a deep freezer for myself. Hi guys, so today I'm going to look for a deep freezer for myself. I'm so proud of myself. This is a huge moment for me. After how many years of, doing it all by myself. I know that to some people it's normal, but for me, it's a huge break. In fact, if not for one or two reasons, I'm supposed to get a deep freezer, a washing machine, at least those two things today. But my money is not enough, so today I'm just going to go get my deep freezer. By the special grace of God, I'm believing that before the end of 2026, I'll be able to get a washing machine to also, help us, run the house. So guys, wish me all the best, and I'm so grateful, like happy. So see you guys.
The price, we have not write the price in. Yes. We have it in Chila. Yes. See there. This one is for solar.
Oh, for solar.
No, it's lights. Yes.
So now I'm in Sahar stores because I didn't see what I wanted in the first showroom I entered. Hi guys. Good. I'm back. I told you guys that I was going to get a freezer and I am back, guys. So this is what I got. I was able to get this is Haier Thermocool. So guys, this is a huge milestone for me because this is but this is mine. So practically this is our 8th year alone. This is my 8th year as a single parent, and for me, I like to celebrate every win. There are so many women that they moved into their husband's house and everything was provided for them. Luckily, right? But in my case, yes, in the beginning I had the basics, yeah. But when everything happened, I hit rock bottom. I had to build my way up again from scratch. So being able to start acquiring my things, my household equipment and stuff like that again is a big win for me. There are people that this might not be a big deal. You will see some people that will tell you, what's there? Ordinary deep freezer. I don't know about you, but it's a big deal for me. It's just like when I got my fridge. I did not celebrate it as much as I'm doing now because I wasn't in a good place at that point in my life. I wasn't creating content at all. But right now I am, and this is a part of my life. And part of my plan and goal and vision is to encourage single moms out there to show them that you can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. And you don't need to sleep with married men to do it. You don't need to compromise yourself. You don't need to live an ungodly life. You don't need to do things you're not proud of, things that you're not going to encourage your daughters to do to survive. Because there's this trend, and I even see young single mothers doing the same thing, saying stuff like, I started sleeping with married men because things became difficult for me, or I started sleeping with married men because I became lonely. So part of why I celebrate small wins and do the things I do, or create the kind of content I create centered around single parenting, not because I want to carry the cross of single parenting on my head, but I believe that At some point, everybody needs a mentor, everybody needs a role model, everybody needs someone to look up to. I didn't have that. I became a single parent when a lot of people were still ashamed of the title. A lot of people DM'd me like, why are you saying, why do you have to make videos to make people know that this is the life you're living and so on and so forth. But I told them I have a vision. I don't know why it's so much weight in my heart to not fight. And that's why I'm doing it, right? So there is to my deep freezer, guys. This is 410,000 naira. Yes. I was planning to get something lesser, like 300 and something, or 300, or between 2 to 300, or at least 350. Then the remaining money on top, I'll also see what else I can do with it. Whether I'll get a stabilizer, a better blender, because I have a blender already, but it's not really functioning well, or just anything, or change my laptop or something. But in the end, when I saw the cost of these freezers and some brands that are not really known, I can't really attest to their quality. And after I asked, to a few people, and everybody recommended, I know Haier Thermocool looks like it's the most expensive, but this is the one that we believe is more durable and will last longer. So Haier Thermocool, this is not a sponsored video, but I am very, very much available for brand deals and brand collaboration. If you want to partner with me and for me to showcase and review other products by Haier Thermocool or any other brand, please, this particular video is not sponsored.
This is the manual.
So it came with a key, and I believe this is for this. So if I want to lock it or something, we'll figure that out. Then this is not for applying butter or for bringing out ice or whatever. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. So guys, this is the inside. Has only one of these.
They already plugged this in the shop, so I can see that it works.
So guys, 3 hours frozen retention after power outage. Only 3 hours. Guys, better not disappoint me. I expect you to be frozen for 3 days. Talking of 3 hours. 40% energy saying stabilizer free operation. Really? Freezes more in short time. On cabinets and compressor. 3 years warranty. Guys, like, I got about 3 to 4 people's opinion, but let me think. I will leave this on for now. I say maybe after a year or 6 months, when I'm fully satisfied, then I'll get it off. So